Hi everybody, this is Calvin with Cal2Big channel. I have a 2020 Can-Am Ryker. I'm going to install the Solo comfort seat. It's not as popular of a seat as the comfort pad that a lot of people are adding on, but I think it's a lot nicer. I don't know for sure how it's going to work out, but here's the side-by-side comparison of the one seat versus the other. See if I can hold that better. That's not a very good position. Here we go. But you can see it's a lot bigger. It goes farther back. It's 2 inches wider, 2 inches longer. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking off the plastic along the sides. I don't know if I need to, but I did notice something while I was taking this off, that a lot of people are just pulling on the plastic and it snaps off of there. Then they complain that it's loose. Looking underneath, there's some small Torx screws. There's 2 in the back, here and here, and then there's 2 along each side to hold the side piece on, which I've loosened. I don't know if you can see those, but anyway, they're under there, and just have to feel around for them. They're kind of blind, hard to see, hard to get to. And then I'm going to take the seat off, so I'll see how that goes.